Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, it is time for math, and I want you to get out your 10 frame work mat, and you are going to make the number 9 on your 10 frame work mat. When you're finished making the number 9 on your 10 frame work mat, you can make all the numbers 1 through 9 if you would like. I want you to practice on counting on your work mat, your 10 frame work mat, as much as you can, okay? Okay. So that is your 10 frame work mat. You'll need that, and you will of course need your counters or your chips, okay? Mrs. Hensley is using hers on the board. You also will need your 9 number card, okay? So here we go. I've got my chips. I'm counting 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, did you notice that I started here on the left side and went left to right and filled in the top first? I cannot put any on the bottom until the top 5 are full. Then I can go down to the bottom and start on the bottom, going from left to right, okay? Once you have finished that, you may put that away. If you want to do your numbers 1 through 9, you can get all of your cards out and do numbers 1 through 9, okay? Remember, when you're doing another number, clear these off your work mat. And remember how Mrs. Hensley has taught you to put these back in your bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do I have them all? Yes, I do, because I had 20. If you're missing some, you might want to look around your area to see if maybe they are there. Okay, listen for the click. Did you hear that? Okay, it's closed. So put these, your number cards, your chips, and your 10 frame, put that away whenever you are finished with it in a safe place so you will know where to get it when it's time to get it again, okay? You may practice those any time that you would like to do that, okay? So we are going to focus on the number, Mrs. Hensley moved it, the number 9 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have a number 9 activity to do. Have fun. Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon, and have a fantastic day. Bye, friends.